Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
I'm way more senior to her. She was in school when I was playing that vampire. So you see a promo or you hear about the show just because the show is on medical backdrop. So there have been a zillion shows on Indian television on medical backdrop. Why you did not name anybody else but Kabir Singh?
Even if you are being trolled, maybe just laugh at them and have fun. It's okay. कुछ चीज़ अपने सर पे इतनी हावी मत कर लो. 2 दिन बाद लोग भूल जाएंगे, बट अगर आप उसको लेकर बैठे रहोगे, it will only disturb you.
Colors launched an eternal love saga, Sirf Tum. The show features Vivin Tessina as Ranveer and Isha Singh as Suhani. Sirf Tum will premiere on 15th November 2021, and recently we chatted with the cast and here's what they shared. First things first, how has the response been so far?
Experience has been very good so far, and audience, fans, सब excited हैं. हमारा नया show आ रहा है, and we all are working very hard as a team. So we are also excited. Simultaneously, we are nervous also about the show because अगर nervousness नहीं होगी तो हम actor नहीं कहलाएंगे और अच्छे actor नहीं बन पाएंगे. So yeah, so far so good.
Yeah, response अच्छा आ रहा है promos पे. I hope जब show देखेंगे जो 15 से launch हो रहा है तो भी इतना ही अच्छा response मिलेगा. So fingers crossed.
How has it been returning to the sets for the two of you?
It's good to be back to work and be back to the new normal. And I think मेरे लिए नहीं सबके लिए काफ़ी टाइम बाद ये ब्रेक ख़त्म हुआ है and we all have resumed work and we're really grateful that we have work and we're working towards a new show and our audience is liking the new show.
Yeah, of course things have changed a lot after pandemic, but it's good to be back. It feels good to be back.
Vivian, you said that this is a difficult character. Tell us how specifically would that be?
See, first of all, I've never played a college boy, and especially a medical background. I played a college boy. There also, that show I was around 200 years old because I was playing a vampire. I was not a human being. So this is the first time where I'm playing a human being and going to college, that to a medical college, and I think it's a lot of hard work because I am not from the medical stream, and there's a lot of learning which is supposed to happen during the process, and plus I had to go through a lot of physical hard work and transformation to look like a college boy.
Isha, you've been playing docile characters, but they have their own touch to it. Would this have a different shade too?
Of course, this character is really calm, very innocent, and each character has different layers and shades. So that's how Suhani is. And this one's very different from all the characters I have played in past, or very opposite to Isha also. So it's interesting to discover new shades and new things, and still learning and exploring new parts and new things about Suhani. So yeah, it's nice.
How's your off-screen bond with each other? How did you get along right in the beginning?
The off-screen bond is good, and we discuss a lot of things about the scene. We mutually interact about how we're going to achieve a particular scene as actors, and what is the best we can do. We suggest each other. Like she has said, she gets to learn a lot from me. And yeah, because I'm way more senior to her. She was in school when I was playing that vampire. So yeah, she's been a good co-actress, and more than anything, she's been a thorough professional actress, and I really like the way the whole team is shaping up this project with all the hard work.
But I always say there's always a particular way to tell someone or explain someone. Okay, fine, even to give suggestions, there's a way, and he's very good like that. He's a very good human being also.
Thank you so much. I hope you don't also call me a Mr. Know-It-All.
No. It's not like only you tell me. I also tell you things. I also say it's not like that.
Yeah, she's open to suggestions and she listens to my suggestions, and that's about it.
Would you say love stories are rather overflowing on TV already? What sets this apart?
See, like I have said earlier, I personally, when it comes to me, I don't want to repeat myself. I want to do something that I have never done in my characters, in my career so far. So I have never played a college boy, that too with a medical backdrop. I have never been to I have not even been close to any medical student in my life. I have had people in my family who are from the medical stream, but not me. I come from the engineering stream. So I have never experienced this, and it is like a challenge because those terms in medical science and biology are pretty tricky, which one needs to get the right way. There is no other way for it. So you have to work hard, theoretically also, not only practically, to work towards this kind of character. And it is kind of challenging for me. I had to go through a bit of not a bit. I had to go through a transformation to make myself look like a college boy and fit into the character. And of course, work on the theoretical part.
We both have done love stories in the past. But if we, as an actor, if we feel, oh, this is something new, this is something interesting, this is something unique, then I'm very sure the audience will also feel the same.
And even when it comes to romance or the bonding between Ranveer and Sohani, I think there is more realistic and practical approach towards it. You will not see the usual monotonous kind of romance or bonding between two central characters. You guys are in for a lot of surprises, and I hope you love the surprises.
Vivian, you've always maintained that you're happy doing what you do. Would it be safe to say you're creatively satisfied with what you are doing and the projects you pick?
See, unless I'm not happy, I won't be able to do something. So that's my first prerogative. And if I don't love my job, what's the point of doing the job? So I am creatively satisfied, and I use my creative energies to do what I'm best at. I am good at this. Probably this is what I have experienced, and people and my fans and my viewers have told me so far that okay, you're good at doing this job. So my only job which I have to pay attention is I don't cheat them, I don't cheat my audience, I don't repeat myself, and I do what I'm best at doing, and that's about it. So I'm good at daily soaps, I'm good at television. I love to stick to television, and I'm very much satisfied with my job. I'm very much satisfied with my creative space, and more than anything, my channel Colors, my producer, and my producer Rashmi Sharma and her whole creative team has always given me the creative liberty to showcase my talent, and that's what I have been doing so far in the previous show and even in Sirf. So I'm good with it.
The show is supposed to loosely draw from Kabir Singh. What's that about and how true is it?
See, it's very easy to judge something without seeing it because you see a glimpse of it and you have to make a perception. So as far as the show is concerned, just because recent times a medical college love story you have seen is Kabir Singh. So the closest you find to explain this show is Kabir Singh. But it's not. Because if the show would be Kabir Singh, then we would not be paying attention at such minute details of all the characters, of the complete approach with which we are making the show. So we had to just copy it then. So why are we using our creative energy to achieve something like this? Because it's not Kabir Singh. And as far as comparison is concerned, so you cannot compare because it's a 2.5-3 hour film, and we telecast 24 to 26 times a month, precisely half an hour every day. So that makes it a 15-hour film every month, and it's a 2.5 hour film. So you cannot describe, and you can describe a film in 2.5 hours, but you cannot stretch a 2.5 hour film for years. So it cannot be practically also.
Yeah, there are always comparisons and assumptions, but I think I want audience to decide. They should watch it.
The thing is that we have, as humans, we have this shortest connection description about anything we have as mankind, as humans. That we see something and we look at it and we would remember the last example we had which is similar to it. Why? Because the characteristics or the backdrop is matching. But to be very honest, you need to see the show for you to judge the show.
Yeah.
Unless you see a promo or you hear about the show just because the show is on medical backdrop. So there have been a zillion shows on Indian television on medical backdrop. Why you did not name anybody else but Kabir Singh? So you cannot judge it unless you see it.
Are you too the kind of people who are bothered by trolls given the time of internet we live in flooded with trolls?
I think I'm someone who's not too much into social media, and trolls and memes and everything. It's just part of life. You should not take things too seriously in life. Anything, you know. You should maybe just laugh at them and have fun. It's okay. It's okay, you know. Even if you are being trolled, not in a weird way. You should not. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कुछ चीज़ अपने सर पे इतनी हावी मत कर लो. 2 दिन बाद लोग भूल जाएंगे, बट अगर आप उसको लेकर बैठे रहोगे इट विल ओनली डिस्टर्ब यू. सेकेंडली, मैं पर्सनली सोशल मीडिया पे इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे नहीं पता चलता क्या चल रहा है. मुझे कोई आके बता देता, दैट्स नाइस. तो मैंने कभी सोशल मीडिया को इतना ज़्यादा अपने ऊपर हावी नहीं होने दिया. Having said that, people tell me that, oh, you're young, why don't you do this? It's a personal choice which I made and I like it that way कि social media मुझे नहीं control करती, I control my social media. So it's fine, you know, I don't let these things affect me too much. I'm too much focused on my work and on myself.
मेरा तो social media interaction is as good as a season in a year. So I am the least active person in the entire industry probably when it comes to social media. पर ट्रोल्स वालों के लिए मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगा कि आप जो लोगों को ट्रोल करते हैं, आप you know, to be very honest, if you're trolling someone, firstly you're really free in life to go and look at somebody and make a meme or a troll out of that person, which means first of all you need to find a job. This you're doing for entertainment, so you have found entertainment for yourself by trolling someone, but you need to have a job as well to live in life. So first go find a job, then go troll somebody else, and most importantly, if you're trolling someone, then there is something that the person has which you want and you don't have it, and you don't like that person having that thing.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.